welcome on Learning with L&R, and today we are going to discuss about the characteristics of good research. So let's discuss about it. Good research should be systematic way, means step by step we have to do. Logical, there is logic behind to doing the research. Empirical, it is practical based. And replicable, we have to do the same research again. Then the good research, when these kind of things are present in the research, that time we have to say that it's a good research. Orderly and systematic process. First of all, we have to choose our problem statement, then objective, then hypothesis, then operational definition, then these step by step we have to cover. That is the orderly and systematic process. And based on current professional issue, your research should be based on the present issue in the society related to health, not the issue which are not present these days. Okay, then begin with clearly defined purposes. There are some objectives are there, some purposes are there to do the research, so that you have a clear path to do this. Emphasis to develop, refine, expand professional knowledge. With the help of these good research characteristics, you have to develop new knowledge related to your profession. You can refine the existing knowledge, and with the help of this you have to expand the nursing profession knowledge. Then directed towards development or testing theories. That research is a good research which help you to develop new theories and test new theories and test existing theories. Fine. Finding solution of a problem. The research always find the answer to the questions, and if in the healthcare profession there is any problem, then that is a question, that is a problem, and we have to find the solution. These days the society is suffering from coronavirus, and everyone related to our profession, related to medical profession, related to nursing profession, try to do something so that this problem can be solved as soon as possible. Dedicated to develop empirical evidence. Empirical means practical based. We dedicated our research so that we have to do some evidence with practical based. Strive to collect first hand information. When we going to do the research, that time we can collect data directly from our samples. An objective and logical process. There are some objective behind our research, and that objective we have to cover with logical way. Then generate findings to refine and improve professional practice. When we done the research, after that some findings are there. That finding we have to use to refine the existing knowledge and to improve our practical knowledge, our practices in a profession. Then use of appropriate methodology. There are various types of researchers, and according to that types there are methodology, different kind of methodology. Methodology means you have to follow some steps according to your design of research. Then conducted on representative sample. You have to conduct your study which meet the criteria. You have to set some characteristics, and all the characteristics your sample represent there, so that you can generalize your study after finding. Then conducted through appropriate use of methods and tools of data collection. There are various kinds of methods to collect the study. There are various kinds of tools like questionnaire. You have to use the questionnaire on the people who are literate, who are educated, but do not use the questionnaire the people who do not know how to read. Okay, these kind of conditions we have to cover in this. Then good research are which use of valid and reliable data collection tool. We have to choose interview, we have to choose observation method, we have to choose questionnaire. Then carefully recorded and reported all the things which we are done here. Carefully record and report to our seniors or to our higher authority in our profession. Adequately and appropriately analyzed research. There are various kind of tests in our statistics which we apply to find out our findings, and that the test which you use on your study, that are appropriate according to your design, according to your needs. And patiently carried out activity. You have to need loaded of patience, loaded of time to do the research activity, research project. Then researchers should be expert in the area which he or she select in problem statement, that particular topic, or the researcher have interested to do the research, motivate, and they have courage to do the research. Adequately communicated research. After the finding, you have to communicate your research in oral way, in conferences and workshops, and in written way in your journals. Okay, thank you very much for your patience. If you feel any kind of problem, kindly inform me. I'll surely help you. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay home.